Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm going to put my name and my date. My date. My date is what I need. 28, 2020. Oops. This is kind of wonky. Okay, friends. Yesterday we talked about subtraction. Actually, for the last couple of weeks, we've been talking about subtraction and different ways to do subtraction problems, right? So now we're going to combine all of those ways, and we're going to see what feels most comfortable for us and review to make sure that we remember all of the ways that we can subtract numbers. Okay, so let's start with this one. Johnny has 12 apples. I'm sorry, Jeff. I looked at Johnny. Jeff has 12 apples, and he gives 6 away. How many apples are left? So we need to use words, objects, or pictures to explain our work. Johnny, how can you help me with this?
Draw dots and cross them out.
You want to draw dots? Just any old dots? I can draw as many as I want?
No.
How many dots should I draw, Johnny?
12.
12 is my whole number, my Big Daddy whole number. So I'm going to draw 12 of them.
That's a good plan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Friends, at the beginning I asked you to take some crayons out. If you want to draw these in crayon, you may. If you want to draw them in pencil, you may do that too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I drew 12 purple apples on the apple tree. That's because that's what Johnny told me to do. Friends, remember when we're drawing apples, we have to make sure that they're spread apart so that we know when we count them, we know how many to count. Johnny, you
Cross out 4.
4. Why 4, Johnny?
Because it said take away 4.
Oh, it says
Take away 6.
6. There you go. So I'm going to cross 6 out. I'm going to start from the bottom and I'm going to cross 6 out.
I tell you
One.
how I know the answer.
Let's cross the 6 out before you tell me the answer, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's 6 because 6 plus 6 equals 12. So 12 minus 6 equals 6.
You're awesome, Johnny. Johnny found the addition problem to this. But let's go ahead and draw this, or write this first. I had 12, that's my Big Daddy whole number. And then I took 6 away, and that gave me 6 left over. And then Johnny said, I know 6 plus 6 equals 12. Because those numbers are in our number family, so we can make an addition fact out of those numbers in our number family. And Johnny did that for us. Good job, Johnny. Thank you so much for your help. Yes, Avery?
Like 6 plus 6 equals 12 and 12 plus 6 plus 6 12 plus 6 equals
12 minus 6 equals 6. Okay, let's go ahead and open our book.
6. Open my book. I'm going to open our page like a book.
Open our page like a book. There you go.
Flip it over.
Okay, so yeah, start from the beginning, sweetie. Oh, you got it, you got it, you got it. Hey, look at this. Who remembers this? Do you remember this when we were learning to subtract using a number line? That was fun, right? I like that one. Oh, look at this. They have make a 10 to do a subtraction problem, and then they have think addition. This is what we used yesterday, and this is what we use most of the time. That's what I use anyway. Let's look at this one. When we're using a number line, the question is 10 minus 3. When we're using a number line, do we start with the Big Daddy whole number, or do we start with a smaller part?
It depends what you're doing.
We're using the number line to subtract.
You start, it depends what you're, I think you start at the bigger number.
You start at the Big Daddy whole number when we're doing a subtraction problem here on the number line. I'm going to start at 3, and I'm going to move backwards because we're subtracting how many? 3. Thanks, Leah. 1,
You said you were going to start
2.
at 3.
Nope, I said I'm going to start at the Big Daddy whole number, which is 10. I'm going to go back 3. 1, 2, 3. Isaiah, how many do I have left? Or how many does that leave me? It leaves me at 7. It's like a choo-choo train. Boop, boop, boop. 3 stops. I'm stopping at the number 7. Do you have this, Logan?
I got it right there.
Thumbs up if you have this, Logan. Okay, make sure you write it down, please. All right, let's go to the next one. Remember, we talked about making 10 before. This is what they did, remember? Leah. Let's focus, okay? Here I have 10, 11, 12. There's that number, 12 minus 8. They drew 12 circles. And then what did they do, Richie?
They take away 8.
They took away 8. They crossed out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leah, how many is left over? I took away 8 circles. How many do I have left over, Leah?
4.
4. 12 minus 8 is 4. You guys are awesome. The last one is we can think addition to subtract. We did this a lot yesterday. Let's go ahead and review it. It says 14 minus 6. 14 is our big daddy whole number. 6 is a part of that number. Remember, we talked about counting up. What number do we start with when we're counting up?
6.
Avery,
The little
the little number. Good job. It's not always going to be 6, but it's always going to be the little number. Isaiah, how many are we going to count up to? We're going to start at 6, and we're going to count up to what number? 14. Can we all do that, please? Grab that number 6. Grab it before it gets away. Grab it. Put it in your head. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let me see your fingers. Sasha, how many is that? 8. Good job, Sasha. Thank you for your help, my friends. So 6 plus 8 equals 14. Then 14 minus 6 equals 8. Remember, we can make subtraction and addition problems when we have our number family. This number is 8. Okay, so it says find each difference. And we're going to circle the strategy that we used. Okay, in this case, they said 15 minus 9 equals 6. They've given us the answer. And they circled, they made 10 to find that answer. You can make 10, you can count, you can think addition, you can do it your way, as long as the answer is correct. Unless they tell us specifically to use something. If they say, hey, class, you have to use a number line. Well, then guess what? We have to use a number line. Okay? Let's go to this one. Who wants to help me with this one? Richie. 9 minus 7. What are you going to do?
Get 9.
Get 9 and do what with it?
Take away 7.
Okay, how are you going to do that?
My way.
Your way. What is the answer? 9, take away 7.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Why did you go up to 2? Oh, 2 is your answer? Oh, awesome. Okay, this is what Richie did. He counted backwards. He started at the highest number and then he counted 7. He counted backwards 7, kind of like you did on the number line. So he put 9 in his head. Look, this is what he did. He put 9 in his head and he counted backwards 7 times. 1, or say 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's what you did, right? So he got the answer of 2. Richie did it his way. Okay, the answer's right, Richie. Good job. Who can help me with 13 minus 7? Leah. I'm sorry, 13 minus 3.
Take away 3.
Take away 3 from 13. How are you going to do that, Leah? How? Okay, do it your way.
I know this answer. I'm gonna ask 13.
Start at what number?
13.
Okay, Leah's gonna start at 13, and then what, Leah?
Take away 3.
So tell me what the answer is.
10.
10. She started at 13 and she counted backwards 3 times, right? She did the same thing Richie did. She started at 13, 12, 11, 10. She took 3 away. That's how she found that answer. Good job, Leah. She did it her way. How about number 4, 17 minus 8? Who can help me with this? Johnny, how can you help me?
So we could start at 8
Start at 8.
and then count up to 17.
Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Grab that 8, put it in your head, and we're gonna count up to 17. Grab that 8.
Put it in your head before it runs away.
There you go. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What's my answer, Johnny?
9.
9. Good job. Do you know what you did, Johnny? Do you know what strategy you used?
I used my way because there's
You actually, Johnny, you used think addition. Because you counted up. You added to it. You used count addition. Awesome job, Johnny. You got it done. Great. Okay, look at this. It says, do you understand? Show me. What is one strategy you can use to solve 13 minus 4? Who can help me? 13 minus 4. Isaiah. Hands on the floor, sweetheart. 13 minus 4, Isaiah. How can you help me? 13. Take away 4 equals equals 8. How did you do that? Okay, tell me how you did it. Did you put 4 in your head and count up to 13? Okay, let's go ahead and do that to make sure that the answer is right, okay? Everybody take 4 in your head and count up to the number 13. Ready? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many is that, Isaiah? How many fingers do I have up? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Equals 9. So Isaiah used think addition. Yes. You have to write think addition because it says what is one strategy you can use to solve. So we can tell them I use think addition. That's a strategy.
Excuse me?
Yes.
But Isaiah said he used it he said he did it his way.
He did say he did it his way. But when I asked him how, he told me that he started with a smaller number and he counted up to 13. That's actually think addition. Sometimes you're using a fancy strategy and you don't even know it, right? That's how cool you guys are. All right, let's go ahead and flip our page over. Woo, didn't we do these yesterday? You guys are awesome at these. Yes, Johnny?
Can you count how many there is? And then maybe all of us could do one.
There are 12 of them. We have, let's see, 8 people in the class. Is there going to be enough for everyone?
8, maybe 1 for 10. Maybe 1 for you.
I think there's going to be more than enough because there's 12 and we only have 8 people. So there's going to be more than enough. We'll have a few left over, right? Let's go ahead and we'll do 8 of them and you can do the rest at home. Okay, so we're going to start with Johnny. Johnny, 15 minus 5.
8 equals 10.
Tell me how you did this.
So I just know like 10 plus this, like 10 plus 5 equals 15. I just know it because 10 and then that many more
You're right, Johnny.
equals a team.
Perfect. Johnny did it her way. She just knows because she knows those number facts. Good job, Johnny. 10 minus 5 equals, I'm sorry, 15 minus 5 equals 10. 15 minus 5 equals 10. That's right. That's what Johnny said. 10 plus 5 equals 15. She knows that number, family. That's the back of her hand. Richie, 8 minus 4 is, do you want to do it together? 8 in his head.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Good job. Richie did it his way. He started with the higher number and he went backwards 4. He counted. So what is the answer, Richie?
4.
Oh, and look at that. That's a doubles, baby. 4 plus 4 is?
8.
That's great. Sasha, let's start here. Number 7. Look at number 7, Sasha. We're past those. We're on number 7 now. 9 minus 3. How can you find the answer, Sasha? Okay. Think addition, Sasha says. So we're going to start at the number 3 and we're going to count up to what number, Sasha? Look up here. Right. Let's go ahead and grab that 3. Grab it, grab it, grab it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's the answer, Sasha? 6. Good job. You knew it, Richie. I saw you had your fingers up. Logan, your turn, buddy. 18 minus 10 is... Is what?
8.
8. Good job. How did you do that? I saw you using your fingers. How did you do that?
I did it my way.
Tell me.
I had 18.
You had 18.
And then I counted down 10.
And he counted down 10. Awesome. You can also do that on the number line, but he just did it with his fingers. Great job, Logan. That's the way to do it. Carson. Hi. Let's go ahead and do this next one. 14 minus 9.
Well,
Talk to me, Carson. How are you going to do this?
5.
You have 14 minus 9. What number do you want to start with?
14.
14. Okay. Are you going to count backwards or forwards?
Backwards.
Okay, we have 14 and we're going to count backwards. How many are we going to count backwards?
9.
Do you want to count with your fingers or do you want to use your number line? Okay. So I have 9 fingers up. I'm going to count back. I'm going to start with 14. Okay? 14. What's that? What? Four. Nope. So if we're going to start with the bigger number, Richie, I need you to stop talking, okay? If we're going to start with the number 14, we have to count backwards. So it'd be 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. That's kind of difficult. It's hard for me to remember numbers backwards sometimes. So why don't we do this? Why don't we start with a smaller number and count up to the number 14? Oh, okay, that's what you meant? Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is that? 5. Awesome.
I already knew it. Yes, I knew it.
Good job, Carson. Leah, you have your hand up. Your turn. Okay, 11 minus 2. Leah, how can we do this? Count with the number 2 and count up to 11. Great job. Let's start it. Everybody grab that number 2. Hurry. Hurry. It's going to get away from you. Grab it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What's the answer, Leah? job, Leah. Avery, you're up, girlfriend. We have 12 and we want to take 4 away. What are we going to do? Start at 4. What number are we going to count up to?
4.
4. Ready? 4. Wait, we're going to count to what number? 12. Ready? Grab that 4. Grab it. Sasha, grab it. Hurry. Grab that number 4. I don't care. Grab it. Grab that number 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What's my answer? 8. Good job.
I thought it was never going to get called on.
Of course you are. Logan, I'm sorry, Isaiah. Number 12, 16 minus 8. Ooh, I see something here. Turn around, please. What number are we going to start with, Isaiah? 8. And we're going to count up to what number? What number are we going to count up to, Isaiah? Okay, good. Let's start. Get that number 8. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. 8. Let's everybody count together up to 16. Ready, go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What's the answer? 8. Good job, Isaiah. I know a lot of you are great at this. Most of you are. Awesome. You can finish the rest at home if you haven't done it already. If you haven't done it already, you can finish it at home. Yes, Johnny.
I just finished it all.
Perfect. Okay. Look at this. Maya has a box of 16 crayons. 7 crayons are broken and the rest are not broken. How many crayons are not broken? Who can help me with this? Johnny.
So we're going to start at 7 and count up to 16.
Yep, so basically what you're saying is we have our Big Daddy whole number, we're taking 7 away, and that's what will give us the answer. So I have 7 in my head. Grab that 7. Sasha, grab it. Grab it. It's going to get away. Grab it. Put it in your head. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What does that give me? Oh, yeah, 16 I saw. 9. Make sure, my friends, to stop at the right number. Don't go further. So it says, what strategy did we use? Which one did we use? Johnny?
We used counting up.
Or think addition? Let's write the right strategy, okay? Think addition. Leah, write this down. We use think addition thanks to Johnny's help. Thumbs up if you have this written down. Let's go, Sasha. I don't see this written down on your paper, Logan. You're a great math counter, but you need to know what you did. Because when you're taking the test, I can't sit with you. Write this down, buddy. You need to write it down. This might be the page that you have to take a picture of, and when you go home, you're going to be like, I don't know. But you could have had the answer if you wrote it down in class.
You finished it all.
Nope. Sasha, write it down, buddy. Let me see. Okay. All right, friends. Go ahead and open your page like a book.
Yes.
Friends, Holly has 11 books. She has 4 more books than Jack. How many books does Jack have? How do we find this? Holly has 11 books. Yes.
So we start at 11 and then count up, and then how many fingers we have up that will probably be the number.
Okay, here it is. We have 11 and 4. You say that we're going to start with our Big Daddy whole number and count up?
And count up 4.
So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Look what it says.
So
Hold on. Let's stop. Stop a minute and look and read it again. Holly has 11 books. She has 4 more books than Jack. How many books does Jack have? It can't be 15 because I know Holly has more books.
So we count backwards.
Okay, we can count backwards.
Or we could use our number line.
Oh, show me. Use your number line and tell me what the answer is. What number are you going to start with?
We're going to start at 11.
Okay, Johnny started at the number 11. And how many jumps are you going to make?
So here I have 7. 7 is the number that Jack has.
How many jumps did you make?
I made 4.
Look, you made 4 because it says she has 4 more books. So Johnny started at the number 11 and she jumped back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And she landed at the number 7. Jack has 7 books. We're going to say she used the count method. She counted back.
Or we could say number line.
Or number line. You can say my way, number line. Number line.
I said my way. We're going to do number line.
Okay, fine, friends. What strategy could we use to solve 10 minus 6? Could we draw 10 and then take away 6?
Yeah.
Let's do that. I like that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, look at that. I made 10. I'm going to take 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is, what's the answer, Carson? How many? 4. Good. What strategy did I use? Did I make 10? I didn't? Oh, I see 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You made 10 and then take
Make 10. That's the strategy I use. Last one for the day, and I need somebody's help besides Johnny. Because I know Johnny knows, because she's been giving me a lot of great answers. Leah, you want to help? Awesome. Look. 16 minus 9. We're going to find out all the addition problems that can help us solve 16 minus 9. Look, I have 16 in my number family. I have 9 in my number family. How many numbers in a number family? Raise your hand. Good. Good. I see good answers. What is it, Logan? 3. 3 numbers in our number family. Look, we only have 2. We need to find one more number. I'm going to solve this subtraction problem to find the answer. Leah, how am I going to solve this subtraction problem? Start at 9. Count up to 16. Okay, everybody grab that number 9. Let's count up to 16. Everybody, I want to hear everybody's voice. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Show me your fingers. Leah, what's the answer? 7. So now I know 16, 9, and 7 are in my number family. Which addition problem can help me with this? Richie.
9.
Can this one, 9 plus 7 equals 16? Can that help me? Yes. Good job, because those are numbers in my number family. What about this? 7 minus 10 equals 17. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
No. Yes.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? I don't want to hear words. I want to hear your voice. I see a lot of thumbs up. Is 7 in my number family? Yeah, good job. Is 10 in my number family?
No.
No, that will not help us. How about this one? 7 plus 9 equals 16. Can that help me?
Yes. Yeah. Yes, it is.
Yeah, it can help us. Look, is 7 in my number family?
Yes.
Yes. Is 9 in my number family?
Yes.
Is 16 in my number family, Avery?
Yes.
Yeah, that can help me.
I thought you meant the bottom.
Oh. How about this one? 10 plus 7 equals 17.
That's the same
What do you
one
think?
that we said no. No, it's not.
I want to see thumbs up or thumbs down, my friends. What do you think, Sasha? What do you think, Carson? Thumbs up or thumbs down, my friend?
If you
Thumbs down. 10 is not in my number family.
look, it's like a pattern.
It is a pattern. Yes, no, yes, no.
Yes, no.
Classo.
Yes, no.
You have one page, front and back, to finish at home. If you didn't finish these, you can go ahead and do them at home.
Wait, it doesn't matter if you have enough math and don't complain.
And remember, my friends, tomorrow is what?
Dress up like Scarecrow.
Scarecrow Day! I can't wait to see you on your pink costumes. This side of the room. Grab your mail. This side of the room. Put your crayons away.